Hey, this is Nic Hilton. This is my 2013 March bike check. We're here at some local trails by my house, having some fun, getting hurt. Same old stuff. Okay, so right now I got the translucent red S&M BTM frame, 20.5 inch top tube, 13.25 inch back end for those little flares. I got premium cranks, Shadow Ravager pedals. I got a Primo Remix back wheel, an Alienation ultralight front wheel, laced it up with red nipples to match the red frame. I run left-hand drive. I got a 28 tooth S&M black sprocket on the left side, Shadow half-link chain. I got Supra 2 clear brake pads. They're cool, really loud. I actually just have some Tektro brakes on right now. I should probably get rid of those. They suck. I'm running the United XL seat, the lighthouse, the little lighthouse symbol on it. Tioga power block, 2.1 tires. Skinny, I'm not one of those street guys, so they're pretty thin. Oh my god, there's a stink bug. Fit Shift 2 forks. I got S&M Slam XL T-bars, Brian Foster signature stem, top load, Odyssey brake lever, Odyssey gyro, ODI soft compound grips, no flange, and a stink bug. 22.1 pounds, no brakes. I mean, no pegs, it's got brakes. Yeah. Oh, dude, I smashed the stink bug.